Hi everyone. So I'm here in Porto, Portugal. I'm here on a business trip and I brought my camera, Sony A6400. The main reason I brought this camera because I recently purchased a Sigma 16mm 1.4 DCDN. That's a Sony mount lens. It's for this APS-C camera. I couldn't find it in the India in any online or offline store, so I purchased it in Portugal. I got it in a good price, 349 euros. But the problem is it hasn't got delivered yet. So I thought why not start taking some pictures and doing some vlog on this kit lens. So I'm using this kit lens 1650 mm. It comes with the camera. So let's see how it performs. Also, I'll be using the microphone of this camera so you'll know how the audio recording works. So why not? Let's just start shooting. Hi, I'm back. So it's been a crazy day. So tell me, how did you like the footage? Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Just kidding. So I'm going to show you some footage and some pictures I've taken. The only problem is the sound. The sound is going to be really horrible because there was a lot of air outside. Because it was raining and it was not. There was a little sun. So it'll be a mixture of everything. So you might know like how this camera work actually. So let me just start showing you the picture and footage. So I'm out. The air is too much. I think the noise is going to be a lot. But yes, I am outside. So it was raining cats and day last night. So roads are a little wet. I hope it doesn't rain that much today. I don't think focus is working very great as well. But let's see. So that is what I'm going to test today. Let's see how this camera performs. So we are going inside this casa, the music as a museum. So I'll show you the footage around. But other than that, you can see the vlogging quality. Yeah, it looks fine. It's not bad. You're just gonna see how the stabilization look because this camera does not have any sort of stabilization. So let's see how the lens performs. But other than that, it looks fine. Like you can see. Bye bye. So this is I'm walking with handheld. Just see how it looks.
I marvel in your eyes, swimming in your sky. I've never been this high or this high. Feel like kryptonite, sparks fly like dynamite, reflecting in your light.
So I am just in front of the river. We are going to this rail museum after this, but I think it's been pretty good. The weather is quite nice and it's not that sunny. It's coming and going. But yes, I'm not sure about the sound. I might have to cut it. But other than that, it's a very good vlogging camera. The stabilization has been good so far. If you're doing vlogging and looking at yourself. Bye bye. So I'm in the rail museum right now. Let me just check how stabilization look like. So I'm walking very slowly and there's not much ambient noise, so you might be able to hear my voice properly. But I think this camera is much better for the vlogging rather than taking videos of other subjects. My experience with this camera has been good today. I think most of the picture I've clicked on this camera was on auto mode because I didn't want to do the changes on the shutter speed, ISO and anything, because I was just walking and clicking the pictures. So that's why I kept the camera on auto while taking pictures. The only problem I faced when I was shooting video, so I was just changing the aperture because of the light, because sometimes it was sun, it was too harsh, otherwise it was dark. So footage might be just somewhere a little brighter, somewhere a little darker, but other than that it was a good experience. So just let me know how did you like the footage and the photos. Please write in the comment box. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, and subscribe will be really appreciated. Thank you so much. Have a great day, guys.